Hey everybody, my name is John Mann and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So thanks for stopping by today. This is sort of my channel trailer where I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I'm going to be doing here so that there's no guesswork, and if you choose to subscribe or like, then that's great. I'd love to have you do that. I'm going to be focusing on three things. One is solar power and off-grid options for us. The second option that we're going to be talking about is technology as it relates to web hosting and development. And then the third aspect and things that we'll be talking about and making videos on are just personal passions of mine. And honestly, they're going to be quite random. And so those will be fun, just spur of the moment kinds of things that will pop into the channel. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, please share this out. And I'm going to leave you with this. I went on a hike out in the beautiful Sonoran Desert, and I don't think I've ever seen the desert so pretty. So over the next, 30-40 seconds or whatever the case may be, just enjoy looking at the beautiful Sonoran Desert that we get to experience here in Arizona. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.